What do dentists call their x-rays? Toothpicks. You're welcome. So today we're going to go into Princess Otto as we're kind of like winding down on the sale of our house. We need to get the boat off the property and we need to get another pin, hitch pin, for the hitch to tow the boat out of there. We've been in here before getting hitch pins because we needed it for the plow on the bike previously, so we know we can get it here, which is awesome. So we're just going to go in and grab that. We're also going to get some ratchet straps because we're going to have to start moving our stuff into storage here in the next week or so. We're going to get a storage unit probably in a couple days, and then we'll just slowly start moving stuff out because it'll just make life easier instead of having to rush and do it all at one time. We'll get it moved in there, so we need some new ratchet straps for that. And then we need to pick up some windshield wiper fluid because, well, we just need it for the car and the truck. So while we're in here, we might as well grab that. So let's head on into Princess Otto and grab some stuff. Ready to go in. It's a good price. $24.99. Grab a whole pack. We'll need lots. We got lots of stuff to move. So here's the hitch pins, and look at, they're on sale. How nice is that? Bonus for us. I guess we'll grab a couple just to have a backup one. For that price, can't really beat it. Now we just need washer fluid. As I'm walking through here, I'm like, man, it'd be cool like to just look at what they have for household stuff for when we move and we need some new stuff as we're building or whatever. It'd be cool to just pay, I don't know, just pay attention to what all they have. There's so many random things in here. It's pretty neat. Which one do we want? Not de-icer, right? Bug? Summer? No, what about this one? It says bug. Bug and tar. Now look at this one, it's on sale. Freedom.
Yeah.
Take our masks off. Oh, we should be all set now for a little bit anyway. I'm a jack of all trades. Nope, not that trade. It really takes a lot. Well, gee, I probably could have emptied both in there. That's a start.
We're going to look at some land. We got to take a ferry. We got some pretty good.
Dad just got hit.
Yeah.
By water.
We got some good whitecaps coming.
Yeah.
Love to see a couple big ones. We just had a couple big waves really get us. Mom loves it.
I can't even open my eyes or I'm going to be sick.
I know, right? It's fun though, isn't it?
There's one coming up.
Hey? Oh, a little splash there. We got soaked a couple seconds ago though. I just got her there too.
Well, I got a little bit wet.
Yeah.
I did get a little bit wet.
Yeah. Passing the second ferry. Canadian flag waving proud. New Brunswick. They're just standing there today.
Standing right in the road. Are you not going to move, Mama?
Frank. Uh-oh, maybe not. Hey?
No, the babies are adorable.
Standing their ground today. Oh, There she goes.
Come on, Mama. Get out of here.
Babies are big. The babies are getting big. The babies are getting a little
Yeah.
big.
She's watching. Okay.
One of the babies look at one of the babies.
Here they go.
Finally decided to get out of the way.
One of the babies is looking at us. See?
What are you doing, Big Mama?
He's like, just move along. Right? Oh, look at the baby in there.
Oh, he's a cute boy or
Yeah.
girl. Cute baby. Look at her watching.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
He's
be
like,
careful you don't go into the ditch.
he's like, you move along.
He's running.
All right, let's go check on the chickens this morning. We now have 3 of them at least laying eggs, which is really awesome. First, it took a while for them to lay. We had them for, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks before they started actually laying, then 1, then all of a sudden 3. So hopefully, maybe even today, there'll be more than 3. But I know we at least had 3 of them. So they're over there yelling at me. They just love that coop. They're so happy in it. We move them around every day or 2 days or something as they eat the grass, and they've learned to go up into their sleeping quarters at night, and it's got the automatic door, which is perfect. So if we're at the camper, we've been so busy lately with getting ready for the move and stuff. So when we're not here, the door automatically closes and then opens again at 6 o'clock in the morning for them. So it's really cool. Speaking of getting ready to move, you can probably see behind me that it looks like a little tidier. So we've gotten rid of the staging. We had borrowed Jeremy's friend's staging to do the stuff on the garage, to work on the garage. Well, we've returned that. I've cleaned up a bunch of the wood that was laying around and stacked it all at the back here in one pile. And you may notice something missing from the land. It was really weird, but as we get ready to move, we're probably going to end up in our camper because our house sale is coming to an end really quickly here. Everything should be finalized in the next day or so, and then the move is going to be within 2 weeks of that, 2 to 3 weeks. So it's going to come to an end really, really quick. And we haven't found the property that we absolutely love and can move into right away. So that means all of our stuff is going to have to go into storage, and we're going to have to live in our camper at the campground. So we've really had to think, what can we declutter? What don't we need? And we've been selling stuff, giving away stuff. And one major thing we decided to sell, which is super strange, is the side-by-side, the Polaris Ranger. So we bought that thing when we bought the land, pretty much shortly after we bought the land. So it's been here before the house was even built. So that was a weird one to see leave the land. It was very strange to watch it go. But the reason we decided to sell it is, like I said, all of our stuff's going to have to go into storage, which means we need to find a spot to put that. And we were paying payments on it. So we thought, you know, instead of paying payments, just sell it, get it out of here. Then we're not storing something that we're actually putting payments on. Doesn't really make a lot of sense, right? So until we find the right land, there's no need to pay on something that we can't even use. So that left just the other day. They got the trailer with it. So all that, we were using that trailer for the bike as storage for a lot of the extra wood that we had laying around to work on the house. So I just moved it all over behind me onto pallets, and we're leaving it for the new buyers because they'll be able to use it. So anyway, that's gone now, and that's just one. It was weird as it was to see it leave. It's one big step forward towards getting out of here and starting our new journey. Anyway, let's go check on those chickens. Hello, girls. Hello. 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 What you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Hi. Hi. Should we see if anybody's in here? Oh, yep, there is. Hi. You being broody? Got a couple eggs over there? Oh, we got one. Get out of here while she lays the next ones. The bugs have found me. They're awful. I'll take my one egg in and come back later for the other ones.